Have you ever thought you wanted to have a magic wand that does things like thaw pipes, start a charcoal grill, strip paint, or just help you package products, gifts that you would like to give? Well, I'm going to show you something that I just can't believe how I've lived without. Let me turn this around so I can show you what I'm talking. Okay, here it is. This is a heat gun kit, and it is, as I say, a magic wand. It's compact, but it's powerful. It has a 12.5 amp motor, 1500 watts of power, so lots of heat on demand. You've got two temperature settings, around 572 Fahrenheit for delicate jobs, and a scorching 1000 Fahrenheit for the heavy duty stuff. And I love that the temperature settings are clearly labeled on the gun, so there's no guesswork. I'm going to show you that in a second. It has a full set of attachments. There's several nozzles, so it can protect glass and delicate surfaces. There's a reflector nozzle that's perfect for quickly thawing frozen pipes. There's an air reduction nozzle to concentrate the heat exactly where you want it. So I'm going to show you that one. One customer mentioned it handled layers of old paint on tile better and cleaner than harsh chemical strippers. So it was tidier, faster, and safer. Another one loved how quickly it heated up and how steady the temperature stayed. So it's got a 3-position rocker switch. So I'm going to show you how that works. So what I use it for is packaging products for shipping out. These are glasses cases. Now I put this case inside of the plastic wrap. And now when I show you this, you'll see that there is this little switch here. So if you look at it very carefully, the top has 1 bar and the bottom has 2 bars, and then the middle is a 0. So the middle position is off, the top is low heat, 572 Fahrenheit, and the bottom is high heat if you're defrosting pipes or something. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I just turn it on. Now I've got it on the low heat, and you'll see that it instantly starts working. Okay. Now I'm not doing this professionally, but what I have done is I've used it to shrink wrap these products. And this is what it looks like when I'm finished. This is one that I've done already. So it comes out beautifully. I really enjoy it. It's very fast, but if you have a need for a heavier duty product, then of course you're going to use the higher level heat. So if you're a DIYer, a hobbyist, or a homeowner that wants a tool that's affordable, durable, and incredibly versatile, this Genesis dual temperature heat gun kit deserves a spot in your toolkit. It makes tough jobs quicker and easier at a price that's hard to beat. I highly recommend this. Just click below and get yours.